Hey guys, this is Howard Uber Tech, back with another video. Today's video is going to be a review and how to install the custom grip module by Integral Defense Group. You can see right here, this has a black on black camo Cerakote with custom stippling. And I have to say, this thing looks really sweet. Let's put that aside and let me tell you exactly what you need to get this done. So what you're going to need is possibly a armorer's block, a 3mm punch, and a hammer with a nylon side. First thing we do is make sure that we're clear. So we're going to push that button right there, and that's going to release the magazine. We're still not safe. We have to make sure that there's nothing in the chamber. So we're going to push forward on this hand and pull back with this hand, and we can see there's nothing in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to push up on this slide lock while pulling the slide to the rear like that. Next, we're going to push down the takedown lever to the 6 o'clock position, and then we're going to pull the slide to the rear till you hear and see this slide lock release, and then follow it forward. So next step, we have to take out this pin right here, and how we do that is we take our 3mm punch, place it over an area on the armorer's block where the pin can go downward. You're going to place it over like this, and then you're going to take the 3mm punch, place it over the pin just like that, and then you're going to tap out the pin like that. Now my pin comes out super easy. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to push, this is 3mm too, and I'm going to just push that pin out and pull it out just like that. Now again, if yours doesn't come out that easy, just follow the first steps I just showed you prior to taking my pin out. Next, we're going to take the FCU out. So we're going to grab it from the rear right over here. We're going to pull up on an angle just like that, and then we're going to take the rest out just like that. So I just want to point something out here real quick before we finish the install. The custom grip module you get from Integral Defense Group, it's basically the OEM version of the grip module, except for they pretty much just do all the custom work. So they're doing a Cerakote and custom stippling and stuff like that. So you're not getting a third-party grip module from some unknown manufacturer. You're getting a OEM Sig grip module, and it's just being customized. So how we finish the install here, what we're going to do is we take our FCU and we take the trigger and we put that into this hole right here. So it just goes in like this on an angle, and you're going to push it down on over here first on the front. Just push it down and then push it down on the rear until you hear that click, and then you have to put the pin back in that hole. It doesn't matter which side you put the pin in first, it just goes in, and all you do is you push that in until it's flush on both sides, which mine is right here, and then you're good to go. So there's two things you need to make sure before you put your 365 back together, and the two are this piece right here. Sometimes that'll stick up like this, and you won't be able to get the slide past this part because it'll hit that. So what you want to make sure is you want to make sure that's down just like that. And then the second thing is, if you notice, I'm trying to push down because this lever has to be in the 6 o'clock position, and as I push down I feel like I'm hitting a wall. Well, if that happens to you, you have to push up on the slide lock and then pull down and then hold it there. Hold the takedown lever to the 6 o'clock position, let go of the slide lock and pull it downward. You hear that slight little click? That means that the takedown lever should stay in place now. So now that that's done, we're going to take the two rails right here and we're going to slide them into this area and this area. And it's going to look something like this. Just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to push up on the slide lock and pull the slide all the way to the rear. and you can see my takedown lever has gone automatically to the 3 o'clock position. If yours has not, just swing that around to the 3 o'clock position. Now we're going to pull the slide to the rear again. We'll see the slide lock release, and then we can follow the slide forward. Congratulations, you just installed your customized 365 grip module. So I want to point something out here too, is that the attention to detail, they don't have to put Cerakote there, but they do. And that shows you the attention to detail. Even in the logo right here, you can see that they're adding Cerakote there as well. They really do a great job, I have to say. When you rub your finger over it, you could barely feel the Cerakote, so it's not real thick and sloppy. Also, the stippling job here is really awesome. There's no like pointy parts where it's going to stick you, and it just feels really good as far as the texture. And not only does it look great, but it also functions really well. Put it in your hand and you feel like you're getting a really good grip. Also keep in mind, he does the P365 XL, the P365, and also the P320. If you're interested and you want to pick one up, I have a coupon code. It's called UberTech10. It'll get you 10% off and free shipping. So go check him out on his website. It's integraldefensegroup.com. Also check him out on Instagram. It's at integral_defense, and you can see all the grip modules that he has made and the ones that are being sent out. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.